Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in today's tutorial, let's see about the lively flip phone troubleshooting and how can you fix your charging issue, network, voicemail, and some common issues found in this phone. Fix one, you need to resolve your charging failure or red blinking light by following these steps. Inspect the gold charging contact on the bottom edge of the phone and inside the official charging dock for dust or lint blockages. Clean the metallic contacts by wiping them gently with a dry microfiber cloth or a soft pencil eraser to restore connection conductivity. Unplug the USB cable from the charging cradle and insert it directly into the bottom port of the phone to rule out a broken dock. Leave the device plugged into a functional wall outlet for at least 30 minutes if the battery is deeply discharged before trying to turn it on. Fix to restore dropped cellular network and no service errors. Open the phone, flip cover, and hold down the red power or end button until the screen turns off completely. Wait 15 seconds, then press the hold power or end button until the lively go illuminates on the screen to force a network tower search. Verify your plan's details by calling the lively activation line if the device displays a SIM error message after a hard drop. Check that you are utilizing this device within range of Verizon cellular network infrastructure, which serves as the core wireless network provider for Lively Link systems. Fix 3. Access and unblock the voicemail setup menu. Press and hold down the one key on the physical number pad for 3 seconds to automatically dial your secure voicemail box. Follow the automated voice prompts carefully to enter your security password if you are logged out of your inbox queue. Navigate to your main settings menu and verify that your call forwarding parameters are not active as this routing blocks incoming messages from saving. Fix for clear a frozen or unresponsive screen. Locate the small notch along the router plastic sheen of the phone frame and pop the back battery cover completely off. Pull the physical rechargeable battery pack out of its housing chamber to cut off all electricity and clear a hard system freeze. Leave the battery unseated for 30 seconds before sliding it back into the alignment tab securely. Replace the rear shell door and hold down the power or end button to reboot the base operating system software cleanly. Fix by reset the Bluetooth wireless connection handshake. Press the menu button on the physical directional pad and select the settings option category tile. Toggle the global Bluetooth interface selector status switcher to off, then wait for 10 seconds before turning it back to on. Select paired devices. Highlight a specific speaker, hearing aid, or car audio device name and choose Forget or Delete. Reinitiate the wireless discovery search profile to create a clean, unglitched encryption linked handshakes between the two items. So that's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also hit the subscribe button.